to my channel. My name is Chrissy and today I will be doing an Ipsy review haul or Ipsy haul review. I don't really know how you say it, but I will be basically opening up 3 Ipsy packages that I have gotten in the mail. I'm gonna act as if it's my Christmas gift. So what I did back here was I just wrapped them before I started this video. So don't judge me, I am extra. But yeah, so these are my Christmas gifts to myself. So let's just open it right up. The month of December. Let's see what's inside, like my daughter would say. And I got an extra prize too. Oh my gosh, it's Ipsy. It's Ipsy. Ah. Okay, so we're gonna open up the first one, right? And let's see what's inside. Now, I really love Ipsy. I've been using Ipsy for, I want to say, a little over a year. And I also updated my plan to the Glam VIP. I forgot what it's called, but it's basically like the VIP, like bigger box. So you get the full product instead of like little samples, which is cool. So I'm going to just grab my scissors. Okay, hold on. There we go. They had a little foam thing on it. So this is how it comes. It comes with this foam on it so that, you know, it protects all your stuff inside. And what's cool about it is they still, one, give you the bag. And actually, I feel like this bag is bigger than the other Ipsy bags. But they give you a bag still, even though it's a Glam bag now. I mean, it's the bigger product bag now, or whatever, however it's called. So right here, rehydrating gel, which I'm really not sure if I'm gonna use or know how to use. But I guess, you know, reading is fundamental, so I'll just probably read about it. But let's see how it smells. Okay, this is different. How do you... I don't want to break it, but I don't know how to open it either. Oh, okay. Huh, interesting. Perfume smell. That's what it smells like. But okay, so that's the first thing I got out of this box. Each box comes with 5 items. So yeah, this one is a mascara. I'm not really a mascara type of person, but I am trying to like get into using mascara. Oh, I actually like this one. I'm not gonna try to do, let me show you. I barely have any lashes. Might as well test it out. Where's my phone? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use my phone too to actually try these products out. Not everything, but some of them, okay? I have no bottom lash, but I can't even tell if I'm really applying it because I don't want it to get in my eye because my lashes are so small anyway. So I'm just like trying. Let's see what this is. Is these lashes? Did I get my first pair of lashes from it? No, I didn't. Okay. Never mind. I was about to say, if Ipsy gave me lashes, I'd be so hyped. Because I never got lashes from it. Yo, I was about to be so gassed. What is... Okay, so this is like an eyeliner. Should I? I'm not even going to do it. I'm not going to do it to myself. I am not going to do it to myself. Ooh, this one actually gives you it, so you don't even have to draw it. Let's see if I could do it. I'm about to try to do it. This is like the stamp. So you just stamp it on. You don't even have to... I don't feel like I have the wing eye type of person. Or I don't feel like I have that look for certain wing eyes. So that's cool. But let's get into the next thing. We have this gloss. Very shiny and pink. I'm just going to test this out too. They got plastic on it to protect it, of course. Keep it locked up. But these nails is not helping me out here. Probably just smells like all lip glosses. I don't know. But let's see how this looks. Because we about to get done up with these things. I'm not going to put too much. But I like the feeling. It kind of reminds me of like that... what was it I used to... It was this gloss I used to really love. I can't remember the name, but I will find out. And when I do find out, I will put it down below in the description. Oh, this is blush. I got a whole new thing of blush. Now, I'm still learning on how to use blush for real. What they really need to send me, Ipsy, y'all need to send me some bronzer. Because I don't want to go out and buy my own. Well, I'm paying for this basically. But I don't want to go out and buy my own bronzer. So send me some bronzer. I need to learn how to use that. I mean, I'm sure it's really easy, but this is how it looks inside. Ooh, this is super cute. Listen, when I tell y'all I am a natural person, these are so pretty. These are my 5 items out of this box right here. They gave me blush, hydrating gel for my face. This was made in Thailand, by the way. All right, that's it for this box. We're gonna move on to the next box and see what Santa got me for Christmas. Oh my God. Okay, so in this box, we have this exfoliator. These are some cool products that I've never seen before. This is a powder stick. I've never seen a powder stick, so let's see how that looks. Like I said, I'm new to all of this. Oh, this is cute. This is super cute. Oh, it's pink. I see it. Do y'all see it? I couldn't see it for a second, but I see it now. I probably put too much on this side and I just can't see. I have one of my moles right here are hurting. Oh my God. We're just gonna shine in this video. Shining, shining. I can't sing, so shut the hell up. Let's see what's in this palette. Oh, this palette's all heavy. Like, it's a thick palette. So this is how it looks, though. Okay, so it comes with plastic on top. Is this some more plastic? It has to be plastic on here. I can't see why it'd be like, I don't know. But this is how it looks. The beautiful colors. I can probably, I don't know what I'd be doing with this palette because I'm not a makeup person, but I know I can try to make something out of these. So yeah, I'm excited. Or I could even give this to somebody else for Christmas as a Christmas gift. Probably won't, not this, but I could give whatever I don't want to somebody else. This is a, I was just talking about bronzer. Ipsy knew what they was doing. They gave me bronzer. Yes. Oh my gosh. My makeup is about to look so much better with bronzer. I have not been using bronzer, so if you saw my everyday makeup video, you know I didn't use bronzer, but oh my God, I've been wanting to use bronzer for forever. Look at this. It's cute. It's cute, okay? I really feel like it's Christmas now. Okay, and then I have these 2 power glosses. It's lip gloss. They look like this. This is how they come together. Also, if you can't afford it 1 month, you can also skip it. They have that option. So I think Ipsy is a good brand. Let's see what this is about. Now, my husband, he loves like a natural makeup on me, like a natural beat. That's why I'm always going more for natural. But honestly, I don't like how I look in makeup that, you know, has color, because I feel like I do it wrong. I don't know, but I'm gonna just try this gloss on. Yeah. So that was this gloss. Now I don't know if they're the same. They're not the same. This one's more like a shimmery one. That one's more, I mean, it's shimmery, but this one's more shimmery. This is why, let's just try it on. I think that's just because I put so much on. Like, before I started this video, I put on Blistex. Then I put on this GG lip gloss. So right now, I'm going to show y'all at the end how much stuff we got from Ipsy. So let's just open up the last box over here. Okay, so this is the last box. Then we're gonna wrap this video up. So let's see what's inside. Again, Ipsy. Make sure if you don't have it, make sure you get it. Just try it out. See if you like it. Well, if you try it out, make sure you try the I forgot what they're called. I think it's called the Glam Bag. And it's basically the VIP Glam Bag. And basically it's the full products versus you getting the little bottles or something. Okay, so in this box, this is how it looks inside. So like I said, they all come with 5 items. Oh, this is so cool. So they don't consider this 5 items or 4 items right here. This is considered 1 item. And they gave me face masks. all the same face mask, which I think is really cool, because I love using face masks, but I'm too lazy to order them myself. So face mask, yay. Oh my gosh, this says press and set bronzer. We have another bronzer. This is Christmas for me, for real. Oh, never mind. It's a bronzer brush. Even better. Even better. I thought this was a weird shaped box for it to be bronzer, but it's a bronzer brush. I should have read the front. This is an elegant brush, by the way. I mean, look at that. It's when I tell y'all this brush is soft, I mean, damn, it's soft. We have setting spray by Tarte. I think that's how you say it. I might be wrong. Either way, I don't care. But I have some setting spray. This is how it looks. It has like a cucumber type of smell to it. It's like cucumber and something. But I will definitely be using this because I just ran out of my e.l.f. Setting spray, so I will definitely be using this. So thank you, Ipsy. This is some super oil. Okay, so I guess this just goes on in the AM and PM, so it's basically like a serum, and also it's not even fully. I don't know if y'all can see like the inside, but it's not even full up to the top. It's like it starts like right here, which I don't like. Okay, and this is the last thing. This is another palette. The palette is, it doesn't say, so I don't know if it's an eyeshadow. Excuse me. Gold is my favorite color. All right, it's not my favorite color, but it's my favorite color to wear. I don't like really wearing silver, so yeah, gold. Hence my wedding ring. It's gold. Everything. Just gonna do a quick run through on everything I got, so y'all can see, because I really am happy with everything I got. These three right here are my favorite right now because, like I said, I wanted bronzer for so long, and to see I got it in another package is lit. Try to step out of your comfort zone if you feel like you just want to try something new, or if you're not a makeup person at all like me and you just want to try something out. Just give Ipsy a try and just go in your bathroom and just play in makeup like you did as a kid. Like, why not? These are like some dope products. And, you know, this is, well, that's not everything. I can't hold everything, but we got a lot, okay? If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, go watch my other videos, because I'm sure you ain't watching them yet. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.